Hi everyone, it's Rob Collier here from We Buy Homes. We're here to help people in Christchurch, Canterbury who want to sell their earthquake damaged property, their as-is, where-is property. And today we're going to talk about how we can make that process very simple, easy and straightforward for you. Stress-free, straightforward, simple and easy. So, a 4-step process. So basically get in touch with us. Get in touch with us at 0800 Payout. We'll then come and meet with your property. We're going to do two things when we do that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to sit down with you and go through what's important to you as part of this process. So when do you want to sell? When do you want to, have you got another property to move into? And we can make that whole process work for you in terms of a flexible settlement and possession date. So it's nice and stress-free, nice and easy. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to obviously look at the property, see what the damage is on the property, any reports that you've got will be useful. We'll then go away and come back to you within a couple of days at the most and be able to make an offer on your property. And so what we're trying to do here is we're trying to create a win-win. We're trying to create a situation where you're happy with the price that you're getting, you're happy with your flexible settlement and possession, and anything else that you need to make this work for you. So that's the very, very simple process. So give us a call on 0800 Payout and we can come and take a look, obligation free, at your property, look at what is important to you and then make an offer on your property. So give us a call, look forward to hearing from you soon.